What's up, guys? This is Big D, and I am the Grim Rider. Today, we got Grim out today, and you know, over the last couple weeks, I've had the Undertaker out a few times. Had a ride out to Sleepy Hollow Covered Bridge, and I got it out a few times with Nick, and so I figured it was about time to get Grim out, and we don't want to let Grim feel unloved, right? So me and Grim, we're going to go out and take a ride today. And what we're doing is we're going to be heading down into Ohio, and I stumbled across something on Google Maps that I really want to go and check out. Now, there's some confusion here, whether it's called Daylight Falls or Canal Falls, or unless there's two of them side by side. I don't really know. It was really hard to find any information on these at all. But that's where we're going. We're going to see either Daylight Falls or Canal Falls down in Ohio along the Maumee River. Evidently, I've passed right by it a couple times, never even knew it was there. So I'm going to go check it out now. One other quick little update I want to give to you guys is I've got a couple t-shirts ordered, and they're just samples right now. I'm still kind of tweaking the designs a little bit, and I got a couple other designs in the works that I've also ordered some samples of also, but they haven't come in yet. So as far as the merchandise goes, t-shirts and even a hat design I have in the works, they're coming. I'm just fine-tuning some of the things, but stay tuned in the hopefully very near future, and I'll have t-shirts and stuff for you guys to order if you would like them. So with that being said, Grim and I, we're going to get out on the road, and we're going to head to either Daylight Falls or Canal Falls. So stick around and join me for the ride. Well, guys, we've made it to the Canal Falls River access point. So again, I'm not 100% sure if this is actually Canal Falls or if it's Daylight Falls or if there's two separate ones. Apparently this wooden walkway here is going to take me down to whatever this is. Wasn't actually that hard to find. It's actually right here on one of these main roads right along the Maumee River. And so again, apparently I've passed this a couple of different times, didn't even realize it was here. Oh, there's a little plaque here. What does it say? 2016. So yeah, I've been right by here. Apparently this has been here, and I just passed right by it, didn't even know it. So, I'm gonna head down these steps, see if we can find the falls. Down these stairs and see what we can find. I don't know how. Apparently this is supposed to lead to a trail. The trail is quite large and quite long, so I don't know. Actually, it might be right there because there's something about a bridge that I did find, so maybe that's it right there, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So let's find out. Oh, this must be the trail that continues on down that way. I'm going to assume. I don't know how far down that goes. Okay. Oh, check this out. Well, some of this is got differing opinions on some things, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, all right, up here now. So actually, this must be it. So this little canal here apparently goes right down these falls and therefore right in to the Maumee River. So let's actually see if we can get down here somehow. Oh, okay, a little path, a little trail here. Okay. Whoa! Tree branches about to break my neck. Whoa! Okay. There we go. Now I'm on a little bit of level ground. Huh. So this is must be the falls. You know, it's not a whole lot to it, and there's a few people that have displayed their artistic abilities here. You know, it's I've seen a few comments from a couple people online. Again, all I could do is really find it on Google Maps. I couldn't really find much else on it anywhere else, on any other types of websites or anything. It was, it doesn't seem like it's very well known. But a lot of people complained about the graffiti and things like that. And being that it's, you know, kind of just off to the side of the road, just kind of hidden like this, I think it does add a specific or a different little flavor to it. I actually don't really mind that. Imagine if like there was no graffiti, no artwork on any of this, how plain this would look. So to be quite honest, I don't really have a problem with that. Happy to be here. Know the feeling. It's a beautiful day. So I don't know how far that trail goes, and I don't know, again, if this is Canal Falls, Daylight Falls, one of the two, or if it's both the same thing or whatever, or if there's another one further down. Since this canal kind of just goes right out to the river here, I would imagine that this is the only one. So I don't think I'm gonna go hiking. I don't really have the right boots on for, you know, doing any hiking today. So, and since I couldn't find a whole lot of information, this is what I'm gonna go with. So, I don't know. It was a nice ride to come down here. No matter what I do, it seems like I get caught in rain. I can't get away from it. So I got caught in a little rain on the way down here too. Even while it's sun shining, I got caught in the rain. So it is what it is, you know. But overall, it wasn't a bad ride, and the fact that this is just kind of on the side of the road, I actually happened to find it, is kind of neat. I kind of like this. I feel like I could just like pull up a chair, sit right here, and you know, kind of just hang out for a while, you know. So I might look around a little bit more, but then we'll get back on the bikes and head back out. So. This is either Daylight Falls or Canal Falls. It's one or the other. Actually, walk right over here, this little path. And come right out. Oh boy. That's kind of nice. Boy, it is a nice day, that's for sure. Glad I took the opportunity to do this. Oh, I am not fit for this. Very, very narrow paths, I gotta say. But the fact that it is back here is kind of neat. So, yeah. Okay. I think at this point I'm going to hold on just a moment here, I got my hands full. I think at this point I'm gonna head back up towards the bike, and we're gonna head out. So that was kind of neat. I'm glad I stopped down here. It was kind of cool. Definitely something different to see. So I'm not exactly sure what route I'm going home yet. I'm not sure exactly what else we might see, but stick around because this ride ain't over yet. So join me back on the bike and let's hit the road. Well, guys, another fun and successful ride in the books. I tell you what, that was fun. It was so nice to get out, get Grim out. Man, I love that bike. It's so much fun to ride. But quite windy today. Quite windy. There was a couple times I almost felt like the wind was just gonna blow me off into the the opposing lane. That wasn't too cool, but all in all, it was a lot of fun. Hit that little bit of rain, but wasn't even that big of a deal. The only thing I gotta say though, I might have to try to find some other mount instead of that hat mount for that GoPro, because after about an hour or so, that piece of plastic just smashing into my forehead like that, not that comfortable. Not that comfortable at all. So by the time I got back, I couldn't wait to get that thing off my head. But the ride was fun. Being able to see the falls was pretty cool, and overall it was just a good day. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on anything. Become part of the Grim crew, and make sure you don't miss out on any videos coming out in the near future. Remember, at least every Monday, a new video, some occasional Thursdays. So with that being said, I am Big D, I am the Grim Rider, and until next time, we'll catch you down the road.